Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Charting Markets with Jeremy. So for today, we'll be taking a look at silver, which currently looks quite interesting as we could be forming a bottom here right now, as we are trading pretty close to a rather strong inflection point, which we'll take a look right now. So this is silver on the daily time frame. And I would just like to point out kind of attention to the green dotted line here, which is the 200-day moving average. So you can see following the correction that we have seen since early June, silver prices have kind of plummeted back down to this green line, which is 200-day moving average, which would think right now would likely be the floor for this general uptrend in price for silver. So in fact, if you were to take a longer term view on silver, it tends to actually react to this 200-day moving average pretty nicely as a floor that it kind of bounce off every single time it tested that level. So over the past 6 to 7 months or so, we have actually seen silver actually retested this green line, the 200-day moving average, on 2 occasions, and you can see every single time it tends to touch this level, it will actually rebound pretty strongly back up into an uptrend with a rather strong momentum. So you can see once in December of last year, as well as once more in March of this year over here. So right now we are trading right back at this key support level per se, at the 200-day moving average, which is also why we are probably seeing this consolidation pace playing out over the past 2 weeks. So with that in mind, probably if the 200-day moving average holds once again, then we could be seeing further upside here playing through pretty soon, and a bottom could actually be forming right in front of our eyes right now. And adding on to the support level that is forming not just for the 200-day moving average, if we draw this uptrend line over here, you can see silver right now is also trading and sitting right above this uptrend line, adding on to this support level, giving it further credibility. So that is also one reason why we think silver could be bottoming right now. And looking from another angle, drawing the Fibonacci retracement level, you can see silver is also sitting right at this 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which adds on to the credibility of this floor over here, somewhere near $25.50. So in fact, for silver, it's right now just consolidating between this 50% to 61% Fibonacci retracement level. So it will be important for us probably to see a breakout above $26.25 in the near term. Once we get the breakout above that level, then we likely will see further upside to retest a previous high of around $28 range, representing about 8% upside back up to around the $30 range of 14% upside. And just to cover the downside risk, if the $25.50 floor actually fails to hold, then we could probably see some further downside to around $24.31 over here before we see some form of stabilization. But again, explaining right now with the recent bullish price action happening around this floor at $25.50, mainly also at around the 200-day moving average, I think there's a higher likelihood of us seeing a bottom playing out right now, and a higher likelihood of us seeing further upside playing through over the coming weeks. So one stock pick that I have that also will likely jive well with a higher silver price environment would be First Majestic Silver Corp, ticker code AG. This is also one of the go-to name for silver exposure within the silver mining space. So it's also right now trading at a rather interesting level, mainly a key floor over here highlighted in yellow. So if you were to take a longer term view on First Majestic Silver, you can see it's also trading very nicely in a long-term uptrend. And in fact, we have this uptrend line that is also just supporting this near-term movement in price if we were to fall back lower. And there is also the 200-day moving average right now supporting the overall price. So key level to watch for First Majestic Silver is around $14.50 to $15 over here, which used to be a key support going all the way back to March. So right now, with the past 2 days of price action over here, seeing some rebound happening around this cluster of support that I just mentioned, probably we could be seeing a bottom playing out very soon. If not, probably the bottom has already been established. So with the reversal move that we saw yesterday forming this kind of a morning star pattern over here, Probably we could be seeing further upside playing through pretty soon and retesting previous high of around $18.50, representing about 16% upside to the $20 range of representing about 25% upside. And this will likely play out as silver price continues to head up to our kind of a target of around $28, $30. And in terms of downside wise, if you were to see further correction again, this key cluster of support will likely present further buying opportunity as we see prices bounce off this level back at around $14.50 to $15 level over here. Yeah, so that's all I have for today. We'll see you guys in the next one.